Hey y'all, it's Charlene from Charlene's Crochet Corner. I'm trying to get this fixed. I got a box in the mail. I won a prize from Judy from Judy's Creations, Crochet Creations in Ontario. And so it's come today and I'm opening it right here. Boy, she has it wrapped really nice. And so my son, who was watching TV, went outside and the remote is on that side of the room, which I can't get to because I can't walk over there. So the TV is on, so I hope that's not going to be too much noise for everybody. If it is, I'll just have to replay it and it won't be wrapped up anymore. But I'm very excited. I enjoyed Judy's. She had a birthday week, and it was a lot of fun. Just a lot of fun. Well, it was kind of a month, the whole month long of September. And I really enjoyed the way she did it. I love watching her channel. And it's every Thursday. So I'm having my surgery on Wednesday. I don't suppose I'll feel like watching something on Thursday, but you never know. If they get the medications right, I might can. So let's see here what Miss Judy sent me. I think I'm supposed to get like 5 little balls of something. And so let's see. Put my scissors back here on the hook. I don't want to lose them. Yes, this is what I got. Oh wow, that is soft. It's the Retweed by Line brand and it's recycled. It is, this is called Sleet is the color. And it's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. And it's 202 yards. And this is extremely, extremely soft. Can y'all see that? Let's read on and see what it is. It is machine washable and dryable. It's 40% wool, 40 polyester, and 20 acrylic. Retweed, recycled tweed. I love this, and I love this color. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls of this. That is great. I love that, Judy. Oh wow, she sent me some more nice things. She sent me some prizes in my box. Let's see, is this a card? Oh no, it's a sticker. Look at that. A big heart with a crochet hook. Oh, and she sent me some little barrettes that you can clip to your yarn so that it doesn't roll away and untangle and get knots. You can clip it to the yarn. Let's see. These are some flare pins. Tangled Up, Yarnologist, Would Suck Without Yarn, and Yarn for Days. And these are pins. See the backs of them? They're pins. And they're all made out of wood. Isn't that neat? I've never seen those before. And they sell those kind of things at Hobby Lobby. My doctor suggested a high fiber diet, so I went yarn shopping. That's a sticker. And I've got a whiteboard that I put all my stickers on. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, some ladybug buttons. I'm making a little cardigan now for a little girl, a 2-year-old, and I know she would love these little buttons. Well, I may have to make those work for that cardigan. And I got a bag. Wow. All you knit is love. Love hobium. There's the same. Oh, and on the back is the hobium fox. Judy, this was absolutely... Let me be sure nothing else is in this box. This is absolutely lovely. Wonderful. And I can't wait to try that tweed. I really like that. I like that yarn a lot. I'm going to put everything in here so that I do not lose anything. But, oh yes, I really like this yarn. What number is it? Does it say? It's a 4. And it would use, hold on y'all. Let's see. 8 knitting needles. And a 9 or 5.5 crochet hook. So, who knows, I may change the color of the sweater that I was going to make for that little girl. I may change the color, and these would go fine with that, wouldn't it? It'd add a pop of color, and this would be good and warm for her where she could wear it. So I certainly may change and use this yarn instead of what I was using. I was using a light 3. Yeah. Well, this just came. Oh, and it's got little colors in the tweed. Here's a red. Well, y'all, this is just turning into some really pretty yarn that I have never got the opportunity to work with. But I bet when I get off this video, I'll have the opportunity. Judy, thank you so much. And like I say, that was the best birthday, the month-long birthday. And I loved how you did everything. And one of my favorite things that you do is that you show hand-dyed yarn and where you get it. And, you know, I can always dream of one day getting me a skein of that, but that's why I always ask you, where did you get it? And so I go and I look at the prices, but the prices are all pretty much the same, but you pay for what you get. And I realized that. So, but boy, I am very impressed with this yarn. And if any of y'all want to try it, it is really soft. I mean, very much so. Very soft. And it smells really good. You can smell the wool. You can smell the wool. It's 40% wool. You can smell it. It's not itchy at all. Not scratchy. It feels really good. Yes. Yes, I believe I'm going to start that little girl's sweater over and use this. Well, Judy, I hope that you get some more subscribers from this video, maybe who did not know you. It's Judy's Crochet Creations. I'm pretty sure that's the name. And it's out of Ontario, Canada. And she comes on every Thursday. I can't remember the time, but I mean, you know, you can watch it anytime you want to because it's a video. But every Thursday she has a video out, and it lasts about an hour. And at the end of the video, I'm usually saying, no, show me one more thing before we stop. Show me just 2 more things before we stop. She keeps my attention the entire whole hour. And let me tell you, that can be hard sometimes because I have ADD. And there are times that I just am just a blithering idiot because I cannot concentrate. But I can concentrate on this lady's show. So she really keeps your attention. And it is a lot of fun. And she makes some really beautiful whips. And she has a store on her Facebook page, I believe it is. And or you can just reach out to her if you don't do Facebook. And she does repurpose recycled. Is that right? No, maybe that's not right. But no, that's not right. She doesn't do that. But she would make you whatever you want. Like if you want a shawl out of a certain yarn, a certain color, a scarf, a hat, whatever, she would make that for you. She makes items and sells them on her Etsy shop. So, but it's not out of recycled yarn. If it was, it would be agreeable between both parties. Like if it was, I'm sure, cashmere or something. But anyway, well, I'm gonna go. My nose is getting stopped up. And yesterday I went to the doctor, one of the doctors I had to see this week about the surgery, and it was for me to get medical clearance. Well, he came in and said, you know, talked for a while. Then he examined, and then he said, when was your mastectomy? And I told him, you know, how long it had been. And how did I get off on that? Maybe I was mixing up 2 stories. Sometimes I do that, y'all. Sometimes I do that. Oh, no, I went to the doctor. He asked me how long my mastectomy had been. And I told him, and he said that was great news. And he was doing my surgical clearance for me to have surgery. And he said, well, I really don't know if I should clear you because your circulation is pretty bad. And I said, what? He said, your circulation is pretty bad. Your nails are blue. He was doing a funny. But I told him that when he did my A1C for the 3 months of readings of, like, if you're diabetic, which I'm not a diabetic, and I told him, I said, those numbers may be screwy because I eat between 3 and 4 oranges a day. I cannot stand it if I don't have an orange. And he said, well, that may be, you know, my iron is low, my vitamin D is low, and that's a way of telling me. Sure enough, he called me about 3 hours later. His nurse did, and they're going to put me on a vitamin D supplement 1 day a week for 3 months and see if that helps. So he said that's what that was. So he said, but continue eating your oranges unless we tell you to stop. So I'm going to continue to eat them. I've done had 2 today. And I have my third one somewhere right here, ready to go. These are from Seattle, Washington. The ones that I had that came from South Africa were wonderful, delicious oranges. These are delicious oranges from Seattle, Washington. The oranges that came from Chile were terrible, bad, awful. Every bag my husband brought home was terrible in those. Yeah. So, all right. Well, thank you again, Miss Judy. Thank you, my subscribers and all my friends, for watching this little video. And remember to go back to my first video in October and watch that video and leave a guess on that video, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And that's to win a prize. And I'm going to draw on, I think it was the 16th of October. So that's only going to run like 2 weeks because I want to get it done and shipped out. I don't even know what I'm giving away. It won't be something big though. So, but yeah, go back and listen to that video. And you know, it is the month of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So anyway, y'all need to go back and watch that video and put your guess in, and you might win whatever my little prize is going to be. So, okay? All right. Talk to y'all later. Watch Judy's channel on Thursday. I'll be watching it. I have nowhere to go Thursday. And I guess that's all for today. All right. Love you all. Peace out. Have a great week. And work on something pretty.